Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. So in the previous video we have seen how to test the auth interceptor, that is the function interceptor we have seen it. So the same scenario, so if you are having a class based interceptor means, so then how you can test this scenario. So let's try to see it. So you know about the interceptor thing, okay? So now let's try to implement the class based interceptor. So this is a functional interceptor. Now what I will try to do is I will convert this one into a class based interceptor. For converting this one into a class based interceptor, so we need to write export class auth interceptor. Okay, so you can write it something like class, right, auth interceptor, and it should implement the interceptor. Okay, HTTP interceptor. It should implement the HTTP interceptor, not function. It should be interceptor. That's it. So it should implement the HTTP interceptor, and it should be injectable. Okay, injectable. Fine. Now in order to implement this one, so here this one will take a method that is nothing but intercept. Okay, so this we need to implement a method called intercept, and this has two things, that is nothing but already we know about this one, so which is of type request, HTTP request, and also the another one which we need to have it is the next is then HTTP handler. Okay, HTTP handler and not function. Yeah, so now for this HTTP request it should be of type unknown, so we can write it like this. And now if you implement this intercept, okay, so what we need to do, so first of all we need to create the clone request, constant clone request. So here I can use the clone request is equal to, so you people already know about this one, request dot clone of what we can do here, we need to implement the headers, request dot headers dot append of x hyphen authentication hyphen token, and here we need to add the auth service token. So for that one we can inject the auth service token. So here I can inject private auth service is equal to inject of auth service. So we can inject it like this. The same scenario, the function interceptors, we are trying to implement this one in a class based interceptor. Now here we have appended, and here we need to give this dot auth service dot get auth token. That's it. So now at last what we need to do, so headers, we are sending the headers here. So we got the constants, and now here, so what we need to do, return next dot handle of this clone request, we need to send it. That's it. So this is our class based interceptor. So now after completing this class based interceptor, so now what we need to do, we need to write the test case for this one. So if you want to write the test case for this one means, so this is all implemented using the what I want to tell you is using the functional interceptor, but now this one is a class based interceptor. So let's try to modify this one in order to implement the class based interceptor. So for this one what I can do it is, so auth service need to be implemented, but here with interceptor, so this one should be changed. So that one is nothing but with interceptors from DI. So you need to take it from the DI, that is nothing from dependent injection. So here it will be having it like this. And after finishing of this one providers, so here you need to add an object, that is nothing but just provide, okay, provide HTTP underscore interceptor, and we need to use the class use class that is nothing but auth interceptor. Okay, so we need to take it auth interceptor, and we need to provide it as a multi true. That's it. So we need to add it like this. So after implementing this one, so remaining all is one and the same only. So here, so we have implemented this one, so we are injecting, and we can do the mock service, these all the things also we can do it. And here what we are trying to do, here we are trying expect one of this one, and we can check to be equal to this is all one and the same only. If you want to check also, so you can write another scenario in such a way that expect request dot headers dot has, so you can use the hash and this one is x hyphen authentication hyphen token. So you can copy this one and here you can paste it, and to be true, so you can use it something like to be true. So if this is existing or not also you can check it. Now if you try to test the cases, so it is trying to test the thing, and if you see here, so you should be able to pass. So now here we are able to pass the auth interceptor without any problem. So this is how we will be writing the class based interceptor. So previously we have written the test case for the functional based interceptors, and this one we have written for the class based interceptor. So why will be which one is recommended? One is functional interceptor. Why? Because if you are having multiple interceptors means, so now you will be able to have an idea that which interceptor will be executed first and next interceptor which will be executed. Whereas the class interceptor, so you cannot able to rely that which interceptor will be executed first. So that is the main difference between the functional interceptor and the class based interceptor. So that's why functional interceptor is the most reliable one than the class based interceptor. That's it guys about this test case writing the class based interceptor. Hope you understood about this concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.